Alright, so this is a sample of what we can do and how we can make a good CCMA orientation. Of course, this can be used for other classes as well, and we have a nice template that's been provided by Nova Workforce that can be used for all PowerPoints. Here it is. So let's begin with this quick orientation sample. CCMA stands for Certified Clinical Medical Assistant. Remember that, it might be on your quiz. You need to plan to study. Assignments online and studying can easily take 1 to 3 hours for every class period you attend. I'm not quite sure if that's true or not, but I'm putting it there just as a marker, and so we can think about things we can put in this orientation. Don't act a fool. Be attentive. Stay alert. Bring paper and pencil. Be respectful and take notes. Remember this. That's all for now.